Hello, this is Harto Software, and welcome to the C programming course. Throughout this course, we will learn essential aspects of the C language. However, before delving into the details, let's explore why learning C is important, how it is used, and what is needed to conduct this lecture. Let's start by examining the TIOBA Index, specifically the mid-2023 data. TIOBA is a website that ranks programming languages based on their popularity, using search results from various search engines. As expected, Python retains its top position from the previous year and is still ranked number 1, followed by C and C++. Firstly, numerous software companies use C. So, for how long has C language maintained its prominent position in the TIOBA Index? The long-term history table provides insights into this. Well-known companies like Microsoft, Google, Apple, VMware, and Tesla, to name a few, seek proficient C language engineers. Even if you are not specifically targeting a particular company, C language's relevance is likely to persist for many years to come. The Internet of Things, IoT, industry, where numerous embedded devices and sensors are used, the growing need for various databases to handle increasing data, and robotics, all require C language skills. Now, let's explore the characteristics of C language. Among modern programming languages, C is considered the closest to hardware. But what does it mean to be close to hardware? Every software we use ultimately requires hardware to function, whether it's a mobile phone or a supercomputer. All of them have underlying hardware on which software runs, and they all need memory to load and execute programs. You might be familiar with RAM in your smartphone or PC. It serves as memory. Unlike languages like Java that have garbage collectors, C language directly accesses and controls memory. This capability allows C programs to be faster and more efficient. What kind of software needs these features? Let's start by examining open source projects written in C on the GitHub platform. Some projects might be familiar to us, while others might be unfamiliar. Besides actual working programs, there are numerous C libraries as well. We will first learn the basic syntax of C and how to use it. Just like any other programming language, each programming language has its unique syntax. It is essential to know this precisely, as we must strictly adhere to the syntax while writing programs. We will also explore debugging methods during the course. Now, to immerse ourselves in the world of C, we need to prepare a few things. If you are using Windows, Windows provides Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL. We will use Ubuntu 22.04 for this course. Next, you'll need an editor program. We will use Visual Studio Code, a specialized code editor. Lastly, you'll need a compiler to compile C code. If you are a Mac user, you can execute Xcode Select Install to install the compiler and verify its installation. On Linux, a compiler is likely pre-installed, but it's a good idea to double-check. If you encounter any difficulties or need additional resources during the preparation process, please let us know in the comments. See you in the next session.